Hello, my friends. Today, I'm so excited to share a real taste of the French Riviera with you. A real Salade Niçoise. This beautiful salad is all about fresh, simple foods. It's great for a sunny lunch or a light dinner. Let me show you how easy it is to make at home. First, get your ingredients. Ripe tomatoes, crunchy green beans, soft potatoes, hard-boiled eggs, radishes that have a little kick, salty black olives, some anchovies or tuna you choose, and a few fresh basil leaves. Remember, the best part of Salade Niçoise is how fresh everything is. Start by boiling your potatoes until they are just soft. While they cook, quickly boil your green beans in salty water just for a couple of minutes so they stay bright green and crunchy. Slice your tomatoes and radishes thin and put everything nicely on a big plate. Now cut your eggs in half and add them to the salad with the olives and either anchovies or some good tuna. I love how salty anchovies are, but if you like tuna better, that's perfectly Niçoise too. For the dressing, mix together extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of red wine vinegar, a small spoon of Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a few torn basil leaves. Pour a good amount over your salad, don't be shy. That's it. Salade Niçoise should look simple and happy, so don't worry about making it perfect. Just enjoy all the colors and tastes. I promise, when you take your first bite, you'll feel like you're sitting at a little cafe in Nice, with the sea breeze in your hair. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't yet, please subscribe for more yummy recipes from all over the world. Merci, and bon appétit!